Peach and blueberry cobbler. It's blueberry season here, and we've gone blueberry wild at my house. A friend of mine has a blueberry farm, and this year the blueberries are out of this world fantastic. So today I'm making a peach and blueberry cobbler. Let me show you how to make it so you can make it for your family. So let's get started on Darlene's table. I've mixed the peaches and blueberries together. I used the canned peaches because the peaches that I like to use aren't ready yet. These canned peaches are good. Now, lemon zest. Mix in the lemon zest. Blend well. Now in with the flour, we're going to make the batter. It's flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. I'm going to stir the dry ingredients until they're blended. Add the milk and vanilla. Mix this until there are no lumps, nice and smooth. All right, so I melted half the butter in each of the 8x8 dishes. So half the batter. And believe me, 2 of these is not too much. This stuff is so good. Do not stir. And now the fruit. I'm going to put half the fruit in each one. This is a quick, easy, cake-type cobbler that you will really enjoy. I've got half a cup of light brown sugar, and I'll divide this light brown sugar between the 2. Bake at 375 degrees for 40 to 50 minutes or until golden brown. Doesn't that look good? Allow this to cool for a few minutes before serving. Peach and blueberry cobbler. We are at the end of springtime here and starting summer, and nothing reminds me of summer more than a good old-fashioned cobbler. And this peach blueberry cobbler is the perfect dessert for this time of the year. I hope you noticed just how easy it was to put together. I think my husband could have done it, and he can't boil water. Well, maybe. Anyway, I hope you will give this pie a try, and if you do, please let me know what you think in the comments below. And of course, you can find this recipe on my new and improved website, darlenestable.com. So that's it for this video. Please have a great rest of your day and come back for another video right here on Darlene's Table.